If you have a dirty greasy air fryer and want to clean it, watch this how to video. We'll walk you through how to clean an air fryer with a dishwasher tablet. Air fryers are becoming increasingly popular these days, as they offer a healthier alternative to deep frying. However, like any other kitchen appliance, an air fryer needs to be cleaned regularly to ensure it functions properly and doesn't pose a health hazard. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Before you start cleaning your air fryer, it's essential to unplug it and allow it to cool down. This will prevent any electric shocks and ensure that you don't burn yourself while cleaning. The next step is to remove the basket and pan from the air fryer. You can usually do this by pressing a button or pulling a lever. Once you've removed them, empty any food debris or grease from them. Fill your sink with hot water, and add a dishwasher tablet to it. Allow the tablet to dissolve in the water. Place the basket and pan into the sink and ensure that they are fully submerged in the water. Leave them to soak for around 15 to 20 minutes. After soaking, use a soft bristled brush or sponge to scrub the basket and pan. This will help to remove any stubborn food debris or grease. Rinse them thoroughly with clean water. To clean the inside of the air fryer, take a damp cloth or sponge and wipe the interior. Avoid using abrasive cleaning tools or harsh chemicals, as they can damage the non-stick coating. Once you've finished cleaning the basket, pan, and inside of the air fryer, dry them thoroughly with a clean towel. Ensure that there is no water left behind, as this can cause rust or damage to the appliance. Once everything is dry, reassemble the air fryer by inserting the basket and pan back into the appliance. You can now plug it back in and start cooking your favorite dishes again. Cleaning an air fryer with a dishwasher tablet is a simple and effective way to keep your appliance in tip-top shape. By following the above steps, you can ensure that your air fryer lasts longer and functions properly. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks and life hacks. Good luck and see you in the next video.